Dear students, myself Dr. G.C. Sadashivappa. I am Assistant Professor of History, Government First Year College. Now I am talking about the in ancient Indian history, the Arab invention is very important. This is the second stage of foreign invaders after the Greeks. Now, in this session, I discuss the Muhammad bin Qasim and the Umayyad Khalifa and the rise of Muslim. These are the subjects are covered in this 52 or 52nd session. Now, the rise of Islamism is very important milestone in the world. The founder of Islam was Prophet Muhammad. He was born in 570 AD at Mecca in Arabia and he was died in 632 AD. The Islam Holy Quran book is called as Holy Book and it declared to be a revealed book of that religion. And the Islam is called as a religion of the desert. The followers were required to perform five duties. The rise of Islam and their followers is very important. The one practice is kalma, living faith in God and Prophet. It is belief in faith and belief in Prophet. The second one is zakat, donate 1/40 of their income. The every Muslim follow of these practices. The third one is namaz, five times per day. It's a prayer of Allah. Then the fourth one is Rosa, fasting during the month of Ramzan. We are all know about the importance of fasting and Ramzan. Hajj, to go on pilgrimage to Mecca once while in a life of Muslim. Then the mosque is a worship place of Muslims. It's open court surrounded by colonnades and unadorned. The next is after the death of Prophet Muhammad, it was spread rapidly various places of world under the caliphs. The beginning caliphs were Abu Bakr, Umar, Usman, and Ali were Umayyad caliphs to become the chief up to 750 AD. The, because of the rise of Islam, the caliphs were more strong in the world during that time. That's why the Sassanid and Byzantine kingdoms were declined. The headquarters of the Islam shifted from Medina to Damascus. Damascus is the become the power center of Islam. Then the in the first century of the Hazrat Khalifa were the most strong in globe. So then the Islam rapidly spreads in Syria, Iran, Mesopotamia, and the part of Central Asia and the rest of the world. The Muslim empire became so vast under these caliphs, then the Arabs were the first followers of Islam. Arabs were living in Arabian region, western part of India. Then the Turks and Persians are followed the Arabs and they become the Muslims. The Arabs begins their expedition to spread their religion in the various part of the world. The Arab invention on India is a milestone in Indian history and important one thing. During that time, the conditions of India on view of Arab conquest we have to discuss. The one is the political condition. The no paramount power in the country, especially in north frontier region, including north part of India. The second one is India was a conservative state. They are quarreled each other. They are independent and sovereign. The fourth one is no sense of unity among them. So up to the 18th century, Indians don't have any sense of unity. These are the important states during that time: Kashmir, Bengal, Assam, Kanaus, Pratihara, Rashtrakuta, Chalukyas of Badami. Then the Second one is administration condition. The monarchy was the most popular. The kingship is most popular. The divine rights of kings to rule. Every citizens of India they are a belief on their king. The third one is cabinet of ministers. These are the administrative processes. The fourth one is provincial administration. The central government and the provincial government. These are the nature of during that time administration. The third one, religious condition. The main three religion were followed by the citizens of India. One is Hindu, Buddhism, and Jainism. The social conditions, caste and sati system were followed. No second marriage for women's untouchability was practiced. It was prevalent. Then the during the Caliph Omar was sent for conquest on Thana near Mumbai through Novel in 636 to 37 AD, and in 644 AD the Caliph Osman was sent the conquest under the leadership of Abdullah bin Omar through the land. In 659 AD, through the Bolan Valley, Kikan province was acquired by Al Aris. Al Aris is also a military leader of Arabs. Then the another two attempts was made in 662 and 664 AD. Finally, the Arabs were sucked to capture the Makran and Baluchistan. The both place comes under Arabs. Then the causes one is the causes of Arab conquest by Arabs is first one is spreading of Islam and also enriching themselves with plunder. The second one is King of Ceylon was sending the orphan daughter of Muslim merchants who died in his dominions, but his vessels were attacked and plundered by pirates in the place of Debal. The next third one, the same in another version, the same thing in another version. King of Silo had himself embraced Islam and sending troops and valuables to Khalifa. They were also plundered by pirates at the cost of Sindh. Sindh is also called as Dheba. The agents were sent by Khalifa for purchasing Indian females. So that females were also plundered by pirates. Then the MCQ multiple choice question on Arab invention of introduction on Arab invention. The who is the number one is who is the founder of Islam? The answer is A. Prophet Muhammad. The second one, which is the holy book of Islam? Answer B is sorry. Answer A is Quran. Then namaz means it is a prayer. Answer is B. Then the fourth one is Sindh region is situated in which part of India? It was situated in the western part of India is answer B. Then who is the first followers of Islam? Undoubtedly the answer is D. Arabs were the first followers of the Islam. So thank you. I end this session. Thank you. Thank you, Ananda.